Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change your account photo in Notion. So to start with, just open up your Notion account. You're going to click in the top left-hand corner. Then you're going to click on Settings. From there, you're going to click on your account name, and right at the top, you will see your account photo options. So you have a few options here. You can add a photo from your laptop, or you can create a custom self-portrait of yourself. So if you want to add a photo, just click on there and you can upload a photo of yourself from your computer. Or it can be quite fun to create a custom self-portrait to add there. So when I click on there, Notion Faces opens up and you get opportunities to create a new little face for your Notion account. As you can see, it can be quite fun. So on the left hand side, you can choose your skin color to start with and choose different eyes for yourself, whichever you think looks more like you. Brows, so choose what type of eyebrows you want. And then you can choose eyewear. So I'm going to give myself glasses as I wear glasses. Then nose, there's different opportunities to choose different little noses or a bigger nose. Then you can choose like the mouth. What type of mouth do you want to have? Then you can change up your hair, which is quite cool. There's loads of different options here. So what hair do you want? So I've got like long curly hair. And then you can add different accessories if you want. So when you're happy with that, click in the top right hand corner, click on save. You can add in a headline and caption if you want, or make the background a different color. But when you're happy, click on continue. And then you can download it to add to your profile. So I'm going to click on download and click on a white background, and that will be downloaded to my computer. Now I can go back to my profile and click add a photo, and I'm going to find that download. So click on the portrait I just created, and that will be added to my photo, as you can see there. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.